Do you dread having no money left over each month? Wanna take charge of your money and reach your financial goals? Well, it's important to understand the value of budgeting and how it can improve your life. Hey there, Sven. I'm CEO of the company. I have staff of 20 people and I'm 25. Although I may not be a full-time expert in personal finance, I have learned a lot along the road and can provide some advices what has and hasn't worked for me. I'm hoping to be able to help you with your own financial path by sharing my experience with you. I know, budgeting is not the most exciting topic, but trust me, it's one of the most effective ways to get your money under control and make sure you are saving enough for your future goals. In this video, I will share 5 easy steps for creating a budget that works for you. Knowing where your money is currently going is the first step of making a budget. Keep record of every single penny you spend, even for such a little thing like coffee or snacks. You can write them down in a notepad, spreadsheet, or use some budgeting application. This can give you a better sense of spending patterns and potential area for saving costs. Making sure to categorize your spending will make it simpler to review them in the end of the month, so keep that in mind. Examples of the categories include lodging, dining, travel, and entertainment. It's time to consider where do you want your money to go now. What are monetary objectives for upcoming year? Do you have money to pay for house bill, gateway, reserved fund? It's crucial to define smart financial goals to ensure they are realistic and attainable. Knowing what you're working toward will help you to decide where to devote your money. It's time to make a plan for distributing the income so you have better understanding of your spending and your goals. The 50-30-20 rule is the best place to start. The 50% of your incomes should go for housing, food, and transportation. 30% should go to items like entertainment and dining out, and 20% should go for saving and debt repayment. Of course, this rule is just starting point, and you might need to change this percentage based on your financial position. Additionally, some of you guys might need help to follow this guideline. In this instance, it's critical to consider your income, spending, and choose the appropriate distribution strategy to meet your financial objectives. Making a budget for spending after allocating your income. The actual budgeting takes place here. Decide how much you will spend for each category each month and just stick to this plan. Establishing a system of budgeting envelopes will help you to stay on track with your spendings. By placing cash in envelopes with labels for expenses like groceries, entertainment, transportation, you will see how much money is still available for that purchase. You will know it's time to stop spending money on that category in this month when money is gone. Budget is a plan that must be examined and modified. It's not something that can be created only once. To check on your progress and do necessary adjustment, you should evaluate your budget at least once per month. You can accomplish your financial objectives and stay on track if you do this. As your requirements change, it's critical to make modification. Remember that creating a budget requires some work, but it will be worthwhile in the long run to gain control over your spending and ensure that you are on the pace to meet your financial objectives. You enjoyed this video and want to learn more how to pay off debt faster? Hit subscribe, notification button, and see you in the next video.